What's going on, guys? This is Chris from Subimods, and we're back again with another quick video. Today we have our 22 WRX up on the lift. Right in front of me here, I have a brand new exhaust from MBRP. They were kind enough to send this out to us. This is a single exit exhaust that they built for the new WRX platform, and this is the first single exit exhaust that we have tested on our WRX. So I'm excited to hear it. We're gonna see how it sounds compared to the ETS exhaust that we had on it, as well as the stock exhaust. The difference between this and the other exhaust there, this exhaust features MBRP's signature canister style mufflers, as well as a cool stainless steel and carbon fiber tip here. It's clamp-on style. Should look good with the lovely plastic bumper on the WRX. So we're gonna get this installed and get some sound clips and get right into it today, guys. Let's do it. Step one, we're gonna lube up these holes. Also, best tool ever. If you're ever working on an exhaust, and if you do exhaust as much as we do here, the exhaust hanger tool is probably one of the best tools that we have. It just pops it right out. No struggle, no screwdrivers needed, prying it out, nothing. There's the actual one here, but just push that off there. No fingers taken out today. Clean knuckles. All right, so the MBRP exhaust on the 22 WRX I think sounds really good. The tip style isn't my personal favorite, but I think it does really blend in with the bumper here. I think what would really accent it off is just a block off plate right here, and then obviously some paint to match everything else. So there you have it, guys. That's pretty much it today. We just want to give you a quick review on this new exhaust from MBRP. You can find this exhaust and many other like it available on our website, Subimods.com. You can always give us a call or an email, chat with our support team. They're always here to help you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next mod install on this car and our BRZ, and also make sure to keep up with our STI track build series. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.